7 Best Bedroom Plants for Oxygen, Air Purification, and Low. Here are 7 ideal bedroom plants that enhance oxygen, purify the air, and thrive in low light. 1 Snake plant Sansevieria trifasciata. Air purification, known for removing toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene, the snake plant improves indoor air quality. Oxygen production, it produces oxygen at night, making it perfect for bedrooms. Low light tolerance, it can thrive in low light but does well in moderate, indirect light as well. 2 Aloe vera. Air purification, aloe vera helps remove pollutants like formaldehyde and benzene. Oxygen production, like the snake plant, it produces oxygen at night. Care, prefers indirect sunlight but can adapt to low light. Requires minimal watering, making it a low-maintenance choice. 3 Peace lily spathiphyllum. Air purification, peace lilies remove airborne toxins such as ammonia, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. Low light tolerance, peace lilies thrive in shaded areas and low light, ideal for bedrooms. Humidity, they increase humidity, which can be beneficial for skin and respiratory health. 4 English ivy heterohelix. Air purification, English ivy is highly effective at reducing airborne mold spores and removing toxins. Low light tolerance, it can thrive in lower light levels, making it suitable for bedrooms. Trailing habit, perfect for hanging planters or letting it trail along shelves. 5 Spider plant Chlorophytum comosum. Air purification, spider plants are excellent at removing pollutants like carbon monoxide and formaldehyde. Low light adaptability, thrives in moderate to low light. Easy care, low maintenance and easy to propagate, this plant is great for beginners. 6 Erica pomdeipsis lutsens. Air purification, removes a variety of toxins, including benzene and formaldehyde. Humidity, adds moisture to the air, which can be beneficial during dry seasons. Light requirements, prefers indirect light but can adapt to low light, just keep it away from direct sunlight. 7 Philodendron species. Air purification, helps filter out formaldehyde and other toxins. Low light tolerance, philodendrons do well in low light but can also adapt to moderate, indirect light. Low maintenance, requires minimal care and occasional watering, perfect for busy households. These plants not only beautify the bedroom but also promote better air quality and restful sleep by purifying the air and increasing oxygen, especially in spaces with limited natural light.